Before installation, please inspect the unit. Be sure that nothing inside the package is damaged. You should have received the following items inside the package. Before connecting all the wirings, please take off the bottom cover by removing 4 screws as shown below. Leave enough space around the inverter following the values on the picture. Please use the mounting bracket as a template to drill 2 holes on right positions, 10 millimeters in diameter and 35 millimeters in depth. Use the expansion screws in the accessory to secure the mounting bracket to the wall. Carry the inverter by grabbing the radiator on both sides and secure the inverter to the mounting bracket. Finally, the screws are fixed and an anti-theft lock can be added as needed. The ground cable should be connected to the ground location on the side. Step 1. Prepare PV cables and DC plugs. Step 2. Connect PV cable to DC connectors. Step 3. Screw the cap on and plug onto inverter side. Applicable to lithium batteries packs, whose capacity should be greater than or equal to 50 amp hours. Battery cable requirements are as follows. Step 1. Prepare battery cables and accessories and put battery power cable through battery cover. Step 2. Make battery terminals. Connect battery terminals onto inverter. An external AC switch greater than 32 amps is needed for backup connection to isolate from grid when necessary. These are the requirements for AC switch use. Make sure the inverter is totally isolated from any DC or AC power before connecting the AC cable. Step 2. Lock terminal cover and screw up the terminal cap. Step 3. Connect the assembled AC terminals onto the inverter. Step 1. Prepare the terminals and AC cables. 2. Put AC cable through terminal cover and screw the 3 cables tightly on the connectors. Step 2. Lock terminal cover and screw up the terminal cap. Step 3. Connect the assembled AC terminals onto the inverter. Step 1. Prepare the terminals and AC cables. 2. Put AC cable through terminal cover and screw the 3 cables tightly on the connectors. 4 millimeters squared copper conductor material. Step 2. Lock terminal cover and screw up the terminal cap. Step 3. Connect the assembled AC terminals onto the inverter. Since this product is a split-type transformer, please pay attention to the cleanliness of the magnetic core surface during installation. If there is dirt on the core surface, the accuracy of the product will deteriorate. One, for batteries with attached switches, the external DC switch is not necessary. 2, only for lithium battery which has BMS communication. 3, AC breaker greater than or equal to 32 amps. LCD is a touchscreen. Please touch the screen to operate. After connecting all the wirings and checking completed, please put the bottom cover back by tightening 4 screws as shown.